Here's a few pieces of boulder opal from central Queensland, probably Winton area I think. Rules in millimetres, materials wetted, and the white that you can see like on the edge of that stone there is a light reflection. We'll just go in a bit closer. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer. This piece I'd suggest just continue to shape it up a bit more and polish it the way it is. So with this piece, it's a bit like Koroite material this. This bit of matrix, but I'd be grinding this side off. Doesn't look like there's a lot of colour on this side, but I'd be grinding it down on this side because the colour quite often is just under the surface, as you can see with this piece. Again, just shape this piece up the way it is. Nothing much bit. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.